The kidnapping. Peter and Paul were 12 years old children and they lived in London, but they were at the street in the city. Paul had brown long hair and Peter had curly hair. It was their first time alone in the city. Suddenly, a man called Gladys asked them,
Do you want to see my dogs?
"Yes, we love dogs!" The children went to the man's lodge and there the man injected them a type of drug. The man put children in a bag and took them to his abandoned house. It was big, dark and without windows. In the house, Gladys took out them a lot of blood to do experiments, and the criminal cut the children's fingers to the children's with an axe. The children screamed very loudly, so the neighbor called the police. The police arrived there in 5 minutes.
Hands up!
Finally, the police arrested Gladys and they took him to a madhouse and he stayed for 20 years. The children went to the hospital and there the doctor put them metal fingers in the hand. Finally, the family was very happy because they found their children.